Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
Every great feat of engineering starts out the same way, with a solid foundation. So, when we started to redesign and redefine our new line of zero-turn mowers, we started from the frame up. Our frame is full length, meaning it's one piece of steel that runs the entire length of the mower. This lets the mower absorb impact and achieve a smoother feel over rough terrain. Other zero-turns have a 1/2 or 3/4 frame that doesn't connect through the middle. We started the redesign process with sophisticated computer modeling and analysis. Then we got to work making frames, a lot of frames. We wanted one that would be durable enough to support years of constant use, but flex when put under the right amount of pressure. Then we tested it and tweaked it for real-life conditions. And only when we had what we thought was the strongest, best base did we bring the whole project together and tested it some more, like proving the toughness of the entire unit with the ladder test. Sometimes the best way to test your hypothesis is the simplest way. Take this drop test, for example. We bring the whole unit up to a height of 3 feet, and well, you can see for yourself. There are 28 components attached to our frame, and we do everything we can, including strapping it to a 4-post shaker table to make sure each one of them stays exactly where they need to be. By now, you're probably getting the sense that we believe in our frame. Well, you're right. We believe in it so much that we covered it with a limited lifetime warranty, an industry first. It just goes to show, no matter how big the project, you always need to start from the foundation and work your way up. To you, it's Saturday. To us, it's an obsession. It's how we're built.